Meaning of Fiddler on the Roof.
Fiddler on the Roof.
Fiddler on the Roof.
Fiddler on the Roof.
Fiddler on the Roof. Fiddler on the Roof is a musical that depicts the life of a Jewish family living in a small village in Russia. The title refers to a metaphor in which a fiddler symbolizes the precarious balance between tradition and change as the characters struggle to maintain their cultural identity amidst societal shifts. The story explores themes of family, faith, and community while highlighting the challenges of being an outsider in a rapidly changing world. Ultimately, Fiddler on the Roof celebrates the enduring power of tradition in the face of adversity.